Open the walls, play with your dolls. We'll be a perfect family. DOLLHOUSE. I see things that nobody else sees. DOLLHOUSE. I see things that nobody else sees.
Hi, my name is Michelle Surjaputra and I'm the brand owner for Lotus. We're a premium ready-to-wear brand from Indonesia with the hopes of bringing Indonesian pride outside, as well as educating local Indonesians that we have very talented Indonesian designers. I knew ever since I was a kid, I love fashion. It's one of those things that it's in my heart. I always wanted to be a fashion designer, but at that time I couldn't because I wanted to go into finance and econ. I wanted to go to business. So I decided to put that aside, but during NYU, I interned for creative media marketing, which does a lot of fashion brands. I did New York Fashion Week, I volunteered. I went to a lot of fashion shows. I helped out the little details of these events. So Lotus started about 2 years ago. So it was basically me with a dream of building this fashion house. So we wanted to create a brand, a ready-to-wear brand that we can bring international. So I hired my first creative director, designer, Yosef Sinudarsono, for the first 2 seasons. And then we realized that he wanted to go into more gowns, more evening wear. I thought, okay, this person, the next person, as creative director, I want someone who knows fashion really well. Although they don't have a fashion school background, I thought that was fine because, we have a team here. We have a tukang pola, tukang potong, everyone is here. So I decided, okay, I just need someone who knows fashion, who loves fashion, who has a dream of, helping me with the fashion house. So that's why I brought in Keisha. We've known her for a while and she's such an amazing person.
Untuk pertama kali saya ditaruh jadi creative director Lotus itu sekitar 6 or 7 bulan yang lalu. And then my background is I study as public relation, and then all my work is in fashion, but the previous one as a journalist. After that I was as a visual merchandiser, and then abis itu saya ke fashion stylist, freelancer, and consultant. And all of a sudden, Michelle come up to me as, do you want to be creative director? I was like, okay, creative director is a hard things to do. It's not an easy things because I don't have any background of fashion design and pattern making. So ini ada tantangan tersendiri. So, but I'm willing to learning by doing. I'm willing to learn everything, start from zero. Karena mungkin background aku styling, so for making clothes kayak tantangan tersendiri, tapi it's a good things as long as still in fashion. And it's, how to say, it's quite daring sih. Yang kayak everybody like, huh? You being creative director gitu. But, well, bitch, I'm Madonna.
I just wanna go out tonight. Pull me another flashlight.
So basically background education aku tuh di communication. Terus starting kerja yang namanya di dunia PR itu dari mulai bank, pindah lagi ke corporate yang benar-benar corporate. Terus udah gitu dari mulai corporate itu masuk ke public relation yang di dunia fashion, which is salah satu fashion university di Jakarta, yaitu ada S-Mode. Habis itu aku beralih ke yang namanya one of the biggest, I think ya, biggest restoran di Indonesia. Itu company ada di Ismaya. Aku di Ismaya Group, aku pegang di klubnya. Kelihatan anak malam nggak gue? Enggak ya. Dan dari situ sempat vakum. Aku vakum 1,5 tahun. So abis nikah terus punya anak, terus kayak, duh gue bingung ya ngapainnya di rumah. Nah di situ aku kenal sama Michelle. Dan Michelle, aku udah tahu tuh Michelle punya Lotus, ada pegang Boncon. Terus dari itu ketemu ngobrol-ngobrol. Angel, kalau kamu mau join untuk di Lotus, ayo aku welcome aja anytime you want to join. Terus aku bilang oke, nanti aku coba aku pikir schedule-nya gitu. Aku mikir pasti kalau udah join atau kerja di sini dengan activity yang which is I know Michelle orangnya tuh maunya cepet gitu, tapi dia udah tahu tuh apa yang dia mau. Dan di sini pun kerjanya juga bareng with my best friend Keisha gitu. Terus ya udah I join with Lotus tuh dari since August 2015.
Lotus is about womanly. Itu come back again dari arti kata Lotus itu sendiri. Bunga Lotus itu kan is about reborn, which is sebagai a new creative director untuk Lotus, I want to make this Lotus to be reborn, to be a new brand, to be a good brand. Lotus target market especially for women, it's obvious. And what kind of woman is independent woman? It can be a mom, it can be a young entrepreneur, it can be supposed to be businesswoman or upcoming businesswoman, an independent woman. Itu penting, and dare to be different, and kayak karena bajunya baju daily dan daily in a different way. Untuk Lotus yang season depan, setelah kemarin Lotus Spring Summer Collection itu dengan judul Eva Collection, kita sekarang lagi prepare untuk Fall Winter Collection, itu namanya Lucy. Lotus ini akan setiap seasonnya akan selalu nama perempuan, karena emang ini Lotus brand perempuan. Backgroundnya itu basicnya tuh dari suatu kota atau suatu negara gitu. Kalau yang Eva itu American, New Yorker. Kalau yang si Lucy ini European. That's why it called Lucy is European Promise.
Kita punya ambisi, punya showroom di luar, which is ada di
LA and Shanghai. So sekarang kita di Gavit Center di LA, kita ada showroom, sama di Shanghai kita ada showroom juga. Jadinya it's for like the international people to see our clothes. And kita juga kemarin baru dapat a lot of buyers from China, so we're really excited for that. And previously kita juga dapat buyers from Saudi Arabia. It's soulful. It's very soulful. I think when you see someone wear your clothes, or you even have international buyers buy your items, karena for international they have to buy wholesale, right? We don't consign or anything. So it's like for us, it's really like wow, we really like our products.
Ya, itu suatu kebanggaan tersendiri sih. I believe in myself and in Lotus. Kalau kita bisa maintain ini, benar-benar kita pupuk, kita mulai, kita tetap punya standar yang Lotus, we can do this kok.